Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to properly isolate colors in Premiere Pro. I've already added a video clip to my timeline. First, select the video, then go to the Lumetri Color panel and expand the Curves section. After that, open the Hue Saturation Curves and scroll down to Hue versus Saturation. Now, select the eyedropper tool and click on the color in your video that you want to isolate. You'll notice that this automatically adds 3 points to the curve. The middle point represents the color you selected, while the 2 adjacent points represent the hues closest to that color. To isolate the color, keep the middle point as it is, then hold the Shift key and drag the other 2 points all the way down, like this. This will desaturate all other colors in your video, leaving only the chosen hue. If you notice that parts of the selected color aren't fully isolated, you can refine the selection by dragging the adjacent points closer to the middle point. And that's it. We've successfully isolated a color in Premiere Pro. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.